Tired of manually approving comments on Snapchat? If you want your friends' comments to be automatically visible as soon as they leave them, this option is made for you. However, before we begin, it's important to note that this feature only works if you have a public profile. In this video, I'll show you how to enable automatic approval of comments only for your friends. This setting applies to your Spotlight and Public Story snaps, so everything you share publicly. Let's see how to set it up. First, open your Snapchat app. Once you're in Snapchat, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. Then, when you're on your profile page, you'll see the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it, and this will open the settings. Once you're in the settings, the next step is to scroll down and find the Comments Settings section. When you find it, tap on it. After doing that, you'll now see several options for auto-approving comments. Find the Auto Approve My Friends option and tap on it. After doing this, your friends' comments will be automatically approved, meaning you won't need to approve them manually. This setting allows for quicker interaction and saves you time, as all your friends' comments will be instantly visible on your snaps. And that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, just leave a like and consider subscribing to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next video.